Hey guys, good morning, welcome to today's video. Today is Saturday, October 1st, 2022, and this is a hurricane storm recap. So let's get started, guys. The storm started on Friday, September 30th, 2022, went through Saturday, October 1st, 22. Trees down, power outages, don't pick up or touch any broken power lines. Be careful out there. Be safe, be careful, and be safe out there, everyone. I heard there was damages in Florida, Virginia, and South Carolina. And that's all I heard for now. So make sure y'all be careful out there and be safe. That's it for today's video. Make sure you give this a thumbs up and a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.